guys, so sa lahat ng groceries dito, may mga free siya na fruits. I think this fine.
But no.
You don't like banana? Ayan guys, so mga totoong flowers. Yung isang ganito, 15. Ito yung mixed wild na ano.
This one smells good, Mama.
Which one? Which one? That one? Smells good. Ayan, 25 naman yan guys.
Good. This one smells good. Smell this, this smells good.
Yes.
Smell it. Please smell it.
Yeah, smells good. Ayan, tulip guys eh. Tulip ba yan? Or lilies? Lilies ata. Ay, this one, lilies. This one, sunflower.
Sunflower? I thought this was sunflower.
Yeah, this is sunflowers too. Ayan guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Paris Farm. Ni Janessa. Sunday kasi ngayon. Naghahanap kasi tayo guys ng ano, kinchay. So nakakita tayo dito. Ito. Isang bunch niya is $3. Bali, kano ba yan? O, $3.99. So bali for.
What's this?
It's a coriander. Ito naman, yung meron siyang pot. Diba? Magkano siya? Kailangan natin to guys kasi kukuha lang tayo ng panggiling. Ayan guys, kukuha tayo ng kamote. Ayan na siya. Bali, $1.99 per kilo. Air fryer lang natin yan. Masarap to air fryer. Hindi tayo ng kamote. Ayan guys, yung carrots. Kuha na lang din tayo kasi nakasale naman. $1.50. $1.50. $1.50. Guys, tingnan nyo, oh. Malapit na kasi yung Easter. Ayan, oh. Ang dami yung mga chocolates. Even this one, meron kami yan, guys. Pero hindi ganyan kalaki. Ang laki nito.
You buy this and this?
No, we already have that size.
Is it
Big one. This is really big.
Oh my God.
See that? It's big. Ayan guys, oh. Pang Easter. Yan. Ang dami.
I can't finish that big.
Yes. Ang dami guys, oh. Ayan o, yung mga bunnies. Oops. Careful. Ito, yan. Ayan o, Happy Easter. Ito yung mga eggs. Yes. What? Yeah. The baby. And that's the mom. Yeah. We have that one size.
Yeah, I got this.
I bought that size.
That
Yeah.
But do not buy that size.
This one is a dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
That's my favorite, dark chocolate.
Okay, you can have that, right?
No, at the bottom.
At the bottom. Oh,
Ayan.
okay, this is. That's dark chocolate.
Ah, sobrang dami guys, oh. Pang Easter. May ganito pa, oh. Ang dami mong mabibili. Pambili na lang ang kulang. Ayan, oh. Meron na ako neto guys. Nakabili na ako niyan. Sa bahay. Kasi ito talaga to guys. Laki. Kaya lang magkano? 120. Siguro mga 4,000 din yan. Yung ganyan kalaki.
This mint flavor?
Yeah, I think so.
No, just look at the flavor.
Yeah, it's mint. And the other one is dark.
Wait,
And the
no.
other one is white chocolate.
No, it says dark chocolate. That's the name.
Hazelnut. The green one is hazelnut.
The green one. This one is
White.
white chocolate. I want white chocolate.
Yeah. I buy you a milk chocolate.
I like milk chocolate.
Ayan guys, so gusto ko yung mga ganyan eh. Yung mga loose leaf. Ayan. Palagay mo sa teeth. Meron siyang pig-eared. And energize. Meron din detox. And jasmine green with pear. Dami oh. Din silang ganyan guys, so yung collagen. Yung i-add mo lang siya sa drinks mo or sa coffee. Yan. Ito, meron sila yung vanilla. Ayan, ayan. Meron din yung malaki. I think makakasunod kapag yung malaki na yung binili mo. Kasi 49. Tapos ito, 18 serve lang. Itong isa, ewan ko ilang serve to, pero 50. Let's go. Where are we going? Gaya na si Junessa. Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa Harris Farm. So, inintay lang natin si Kuya. Nagpapasundo na tayo. Uwi na tayo kasi gagawa ako ng lumpiang Shanghai. Bumili lang tayo dito ng pang sahog at saka giniding. Ayan. Yan si Junessa sa likod. May inom ng coconut water. Nag-play kasi siya sa loob eh. Ayan. See you again next time guys. Bye!